Hey TikTok creators! TikTok just dropped new community guidelines for live AI tools and commercial content, shaking up your For You feed game. Ready to stay compliant? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into these TikTok updates. TikTok announced updated community guidelines rolling out September 13 with new rules for live creators, AI tools, and shopping content. These changes aim to boost user experience while meeting global laws like the EU's DSA and US's Take It Down Act. Want the details? Keep watching. TikTok's tweaks clarify rules for its For You feed and search results, using your watch history and searches to personalize content. The biggest changes: stricter guidelines for live creators and commercial posts. TikTok simplifying its policies for clarity, ensuring compliance with global regulations like the UK's Online Safety Act. Live creators must now monitor third-party tools like real-time translation or voice-to-text for comment reading to avoid rule-breaking content. TikTok holds creators responsible for anything in their streams, so double-check those AI tools. This ensures live stays fun and safe for everyone. Commercial content must now be clearly disclosed, and TikTok will reduce visibility for posts pushing off platform purchases where TikTok Shop is available. Search results and recommendations are now more tailored, making the For You feed unique based on your activity. These changes prioritize transparency and a customized experience. TikTok's updates balance user engagement with global compliance, giving creators clearer rules to shine on live and the For You feed. But with stricter AI and commercial guidelines, creators need to adapt. Could this make TikTok the top platform for creators in 2025? Update your live and content strategies now. Are you hyped for the changes or worried about compliance? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on TikTok's community guidelines update. Are you ready to rock live with these new rules or tweaking your shop posts? Share your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.